This is a 2006 Toyota Tundra. Has around 240,000 miles on it. Just wanted to step out here to send you a quick walk around video of this truck so that you can see it a little closer. All right, let's go ahead and hop in and we're gonna start it up. Got the key right here. It does have 2 fobs, 1 key. Turn that down. All right, showing you the dash. You can see the exact miles is 233,484. Let's see what it. Everything looks good. Don't notice. I mean, not everything, but you know, I don't see a check engine light. It does have an ABS light on the dash and a maintenance required. Once again, this is a 2006. Some stuff is to be expected, but the AC does blow cold in this vehicle. The radio works. It does have a cracked windshield up there. And just looking at the condition of the truck, it is green in color. It's got plenty of flaking clear coat on there. It's missing some trim pieces. Just showing you the truck for exactly what it is. It's got a squeaky belt, as you can hear. Scuffs on the bumper, missing that lights. Like I said, it'll be a good little work truck or get around truck mechanically. The truck is sound, but cosmetically, just showing you everything. Coming down the driver's side, we got scratches over here on the vehicle. Getting up close to the tires, they do got a decent amount of tread left on them. All 4 of them are about that same tread depth. All right, coming around here to the tailgate, does have a tow hitch installed. This is a V8 Tundra. They all came with that. Does have a bed liner in there. Seem like this is either locked or something. Can't really get that open. Running boards. Inside has the tan cloth interior, which is not in bad shape. It's not ripped or torn. Got some staining on the seats right down there and the carpet. Showing you all of that. Let's see. Power windows work. Let's go ahead and go around here. Driver's side. Wear in the seats right there. Wear right there. We saw the inside right there, and then of course power windows. That works slowly. And the rear. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Everything sounds good besides that squeaky belt down there. Don't hear any kind of ticking, or doesn't seem like it's missing or anything. Looking over here on the passenger side, of course, got some stains on the seat right there. I mean, on the carpet. I'm just kind of showing you everything here. All right, let's go ahead and take this truck up the road and see how it drives. Like I said, I think the main thing mechanically is just that squeaky belt. Or brakes work good. All right. Now I'll hold the phone down here so you can see how it's shifting. Over. All right, shift smooth. Don't feel any slipping or anything like that. Goes down the road pretty good. Tires don't sound bad. I do hear like a little sound, but I mean, it's an 06, 200-some thousand miles on it. We're going 65. Don't notice any shaking in the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and get over here. 70. And that AC is still blowing super cold in here, man. All right, we'll go ahead and turn it around right here. Hitting the brakes. Feels okay. Seemed like it could use some rotors down the line. Definitely not bad, but you do feel just a little bit of that, a little bit of tremble in there when you hit the brakes. All right, and when these cars pass, now I'm gonna go ahead and get on the gas a little bit and just kind of let you see how it shifts as I hit the gas. Oh yeah, it's pulling strong. Shifts good, no clunks. Hey, picks up speed pretty good. So like I said, it's a good back and forth truck, good work truck. Other than that, man, cosmetically it is, you know, kind of beat up a little bit, but like I said, mechanically it's good. Got the ABS light on, but AC blows cold and it will get you where you need to go. All right, dealership coming up. I'm actually gonna hit the brakes so you can kind of see what I mean. See that little tremble in the steering wheel right there? Yeah, all right, let's go ahead and get out the road. There we go. Hey, after driving it, the squeak is gone. It's still running right now. I guess it just, that belt needed to get warmed up, or, you know, definitely needs to be replaced at some point. But the truck is still on. Everything sounds good. Replacing this, you can probably find one on Amazon for maybe $50 for a pair, maybe 60 bucks. But yeah, everything sounds good. All right, if you have any other questions about the truck, give us a call. Thanks.